Question 277. Under contract law, a doctor is presumed to have a what kind of relationship with his patient? Option A, personal. Option B, business. Option C, professional. Or option D, fiduciary. Answer is option D. Under the Contract Act, it is presumed that the doctor and the patient had a fiduciary relationship. It is a relationship where a person places confidence in or trusts another, whatever the basis or origin of this feeling is. In this case, a patient trusts or keeps his confidence in the doctor. Hence, this relation, according to the contract law, is fiduciary.